Pelvic Tilt. We will be using an exercise mat for support. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the mat. Adjust your feet to be hip width apart. Place your arms beside you on the mat. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and relax your shoulder blades so that they are flat on the mat. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Tilt your pelvis slightly down so that your lower back is flat to the ground. Slowly tilt your pelvis up toward the ceiling without lifting your pelvis off of the mat. Hold this position for a count of 3. Return to the starting position. Repeat until you have finished 10 to 15 repetitions. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. When you finish this exercise, slowly return your pelvis to its neutral position. It is common to feel pressure in your lower abdominal region with this exercise, but it should not cause pain or discomfort. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and speak with your doctor or exercise team.